In the absence of medics, soldiers must rely on training to conduct combat life-saving procedures. Soldiers can be certified as a combat lifesaver through the CLS course at Camp Arifjan, Kuwait.
The course is a 40-hour-long course, consists of hands-on demonstration as well as a final culmination event, which encompasses everything they learned throughout the course and give them a somewhat stressful environment.
These soldiers from the 4-5 Air and Missile Defense Battalion conduct a simulation training exercise, or stick slaying, to incorporate what they learned in the class.
We basically ran through a stick slaying for CLS. What we did was we took the soldiers we've been instructing for the past couple days and we put it all together and made it one big stressful situation where they had to save a soldier's life.
What do you think of what you said in terms of breathing?
I'd say it prepared me very well. As in the hands-on experience, it lets me know somewhat how I would react if it were to actually happen.
They did very well. Nobody was dropped, nobody else got hurt. All my interventions were pretty good. My injuries were treated. My life would have been saved.
I think it went okay. I think we could have had better communication, but with everything going on and everybody yelling and instructions being crossed back and forth, I think we did pretty good. It prepares me by letting me know that I'm capable of taking care of another soldier if one were to get injured in the course of duty.
The 4-5 AMD Battalion will continue to train in the CLS classes until the battalion reaches 100% certification. For 3rd Army ARSA, I'm Specialist Heather Feenaughty, Camp Arifjan, Kuwait.